friends, it's Laura and welcome to my channel. Today I am sharing a new line of products that I am so excited about. The Creative Memories Happy Album team reached out to me and asked if I would be interested in working with their products and showing you guys what they looked like. And after taking a look around their website, already knowing their reputation for really high-end, truly archival products, I said absolutely. And today I'm going to show you the box that they sent me and all the goodies inside of it and really get you as excited as I am about this new system of memory keeping that they've come out with. So the first thing that I have here are all these kits, but I'm going to show them to you later because I think the most important thing is the album. So we've got this really cute, fun cover here that says "Be Happy" on it. And that's just part of the packaging. And then I have the travel case for the album, which is beautiful. I absolutely love this pattern, the color. It's got like this beautiful coral and teal, and it's got the flowers all over it. It's also a really great size because if you are traveling with your scrapbook or any memory keeping, you can fit some stuff inside of there. And then opening the zipper up, we have my Happy Album inside. And this is so beautiful, guys. I picked this one out because of the pink color. It's the blush one, and it has some gold foil grid pattern on the front. I love the color, and that gold foil is just gorgeous. So this travel case, it's got this little flap on it where you can actually stick your Happy Album in. That way it stays in place when you're traveling or on the move, and I really love that because it will keep your scrapbook safe. Whereas a lot of the traditional scrapbooks that I have, there's always like dust and dirt getting on the inside of my album covers and stuff. And this cover is just so cute. I don't know how anybody wouldn't love it. It's absolutely adorable. And there's this fun pocket on the back, two pockets on the back actually. This one's the full length and this one's a half length. So cute. And it would be so easy to take their monthly kits and just stick them in there while you go and travel. Or one of the things that I do a lot is I go to my friend's house and we will scrapbook together. So this is a great way to kind of take it on the go with you. So I'm going to show you what comes inside of the album. And it's got this little flex band here and a little description inside of how to use it. This is used in the front and the back of the album to add or take pages out. And then here are the base pages that come in the album. A lot of neutral scrapbooking patterned papers here. I really like this one with the border. It reminds me almost of a smash book. And it's got this protective plastic strip or cardstock strip at the edge, which is perfect for going through your albums. That way nobody ever leaves fingerprints on your pages. And then obviously the flex ring in the back to add even more pages. So that's what the inside of the album looks like, and the travel case. They also sent me one of their tape runners and a pack of refill pages, and the dimensions on these pages in these albums are 6.75 times 10. So it's about a 7 by 10 size, which I think is a really fun new size for me to work with, and a little bit of a downsized version from 8.5 by 11. And then they sent me a few of their kits to get started in my Happy Album with, and I can't wait to show you these. When I was looking at them online, I thought they were so cute and so simple. So these kits are a lot smaller than a lot of traditional kits, and I think they're a lot more realistic in terms of what a busy person might be looking for when they're scrapbooking. And their products just have a texture and feel to them. You can tell they're really high end. And then each kit comes with enough to make 2 pages, and they actually give you ideas on how to use them on the back side here. So you can see how they used all their different pattern papers and the embellishments that come in the kit. Now, if you're like me, you can probably make these pages stretch quite a bit further than just 2 pages, but I love that this is more realistic in the expectations of a busy person and how they might not be looking to make 15 scrapbook pages a month. Some people are just looking to put down their most important memories from the month and only a few photos and then move on because they're really busy and they just want something that's truly archival and only has the most important stuff in it. So first we have this beautiful floral paper, love that, and on the back side of it is this textured pink paper. Then we have this abstract floral here in the pink color, and on the back side of that is this gray pattern, a coral cardstock, and obviously the insert here, this is kit number 8, and it shows you everything that's included, and then it also shows you their idea on how to create really beautiful pages of your own using the exact things in this kit. And then it comes with all of these cute dimensional embellishments here. So how cute are those? I love this floral, the hello, so cute. And I love that they show you how they would use it. It just takes all the guesswork out of creating pages. Then we've got kit number 12 here. I love this one because it comes with a citrus pattern. And you can tell that different months have different types of pages and embellishments inside. And I really like that variety too. So here we've got kit number 12. So you can see the gorgeous pages they made on the back here. This kit comes with enough to make 3 different pages with the designs that they've set up for you. And it comes with this sheet of stickers, and it's got letters, numbers, photo corners, and some fun embellishments. And then onto the papers, we've got this beautiful dark bluish black one. And then we've got this fun leaf pattern here. I love this color. Ooh, and then my favorite paper in the entire kit is this beautiful orange paper. And we've got a polka dot here and a dark blue pattern. And then we've got notebook paper along with a stripe. So what I really love about this is that not only is it really high-end, high quality, and a more realistic size for a lot of people, but they also give you these ideas to work with. So it's almost like getting a class every month where they show you the sketches and how to make the pages with the exact products that you're getting. So I feel like that's a really awesome bonus with these kits, is almost getting essentially a sketch type of class with it. Includes ingredients to make 2 awesome pages, it says. And you can see the setup they have here, and they give you so many different varying ideas. 2 months never look the same in terms of the sketch designs that they've provided you with. So we've got a thick coral cardstock, a light pink abstract paper, gray. Got this little fun pattern. This reminds me of Saved by the Bell or any of those 90s patterns for like sweaters and shirts and tracksuits and stuff. I really love this palm leaf print one. And then it has a pack of different size journaling cards inside and 2 rolls of washi tape. So kit number 9 has enough to make 2 pages in the way that they've laid it out. We've got a whole sheet of stickers here, and then we have this dark olive cardstock, this cute striped paper, and this green polka dot on the back, an abstract dot, and then this fun pattern. Love that. And I love the variety that you get each month and that it's all laid out for you. It makes the memory keeping process so simple. And I'll probably use them in a way that differs from the sketch because I'm a rebel like that, but I love the idea that you can just get this kit and it's so low pressure and you've already got the ideas right there. It's a good way to jumpstart your creativity. So in this, we've got some die cut flags and cards here. We've got this gorgeous abstract with this pattern on the back. I like that one a lot, with the paint splatters on the back. And then we've got an ombre from this purplish gray down to black. And then this is kit number 6, and I love how they've laid out some different ideas to use this kit. And then the last kit that I was sent as my starting bundle here is kit number 1, and this comes with enough to make 3 pages as they've laid out here. And it's so cute. I love the little florals here, the numbers, the letters, and we've got a cream cardstock, this pink patterned paper. Ooh, I really like this a lot. It's almost like a muted burlap or chipboard type of pattern. Got some basic stripes, some abstract polka dots. We've got a framed piece there, a geometric pattern, and then their ideas on how to use this kit. So as you can see, I got a really nice bundle to get started. I am so excited to figure out what I'm going to document in this album and what kind of memories I'm going to put in here this year. I'm still trying to decide on what kind of a theme that I want to do for that album. And I'm so excited to dive on in and work with these Creative Memories Happy Album products. And if you want to check out any of these products, I will leave my affiliate link down below. If you shop it, it costs the same exact price to you, but it helps me a little bit, and I love creating these videos for you and content for you, so any little bit helps. Thank you guys so much for checking out this video, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!